Welcome to Dexcat, the web application developed by C2CAT that enables chemists to navigate public chemical data effortlessly. Dexcat is brimming with features crafted for the chemistry community, from structure analysis to material property predictions. At the heart of Dexcat's latest upgrade is the structure-to-property convolutional neural network. This tool uses convolutional neural networks to predict key electronic, optical, and energetic properties from molecular structures defined by XYZ coordinates, seamlessly combining precision with user convenience to support a wide range of research activities. Our model was trained on a range of structures with atom counts between 4 and 23, composed of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and chlorine. Sorted Coulomb matrices serve as the foundational structure representation in the training data. Experience the tool's ease of use firsthand by entering molecular configurations quickly and precisely. Whether you input each atom one by one, or utilize the option to enter a full XYZ string, Dexcat streamlines your research process. Now you can also download the results, complete with a molecular scheme and property values, for convenient reference and analysis. In the Find Molecules section, construct molecular structures interactively, input a formula, and our system displays corresponding molecules, each with its unique structural identity. Explore isomers, analyze their properties, and download data for in-depth investigation, starting with the GDB713 dataset. The Observed Datasets section offers graphical insights into molecular properties, facilitating the understanding of trends and correlations. Employ linear regression for property predictions and save your graphs in high resolution for comprehensive analysis. In conclusion, Dexcat is the quintessential companion for chemists eager to delve into chemical datasets with ease and without the need for advanced coding skills. We hope you find our application invaluable for your research endeavors. Your feedback is crucial for Dexcat's evolution. Share your ideas for future versions and help shape an application that aligns with your scientific needs. Thank you for choosing Dexcat. We eagerly anticipate your contributions.